at how she's like I'm on a music video.
You know it? You look cute little lemon.
Mom got our lunch. Pinky! Hi! Come on! Squeeze it. So right now we eating lunch. We bought Jimmy John's sandwiches. We up here eating. And once we're done eating, Tiki, hi. Once we're done eating, we're gonna go to the tractor, go outside. I think they have like it's an apple orchard here, so that is what I'm really excited about. Apple orchard. So I'm gonna eat and then I'll be back. Say bye. Oh. Okay, Mom. So, what are you most excited about this pumpkin patch?
Going out riding on the tractor.
Riding on the tractor. Mm-hmm. What's excited about?
And there's an apple orchard out there too.
Yeah, I'm excited about the apple orchard.
That's the apple orchard.
Apple torture.
It's in the apple tree. It's in the apple.
Okay, what about
Cracker.
you see the pumpkins?
Yep.
Okay. Alright.
They have rides out here too. We get on the rides too. The rides, they have rides. And next time we're gonna bring the money.
Money for what?
The money for what?
Money for what? What?
Look at how she's trying to act funny. What is that? Yeah.
Our first stop is going to be at Deerfield. Our next stop is going to be at Campfire, where the pink ladies are. Now, mind you, at Deerfield, if you go all the way back, that's where the Granny Smith are. That's where the Braveburns are. That's where all the good ones are in the back, and I like the sweet ones. Second stop's going to have the pink ladies. That's a Campfire. Our third stop's going to have the pumpkins, and our fourth stop is going to have everything because we just unlocked it today. Last stop has the most happy, but I'm going to warn it's also the muddiest. All right, so when I drop you off, it's going to be a little muddy. Once you have a great time, guys.
Yay! Woo!
How do you like the ride so far, Syhilove?
You know, it's pretty cool out. Not gonna lie. Oh, look at that.
Okay.
Huh? I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie.
You enjoying yourself?
Are you having fun? Look at her, it's so bougie. Mom. Not really. The apple tree actually fell. Picked the right day. Look at this beautiful tree. Oh my God. Yes. Why is she crushing these?
It's also the muddiest.
I go across. So how many apples did we get? Huh? How many apples did we get?
Oops.
7.
Nope, no more.
Gosh,
They have to bring a gift. Yeah, they have to bring a gift with no help from their lives.
Tinky. And we got all our apples. Get that. Again.
We're gonna go get the mine.
So we're gonna bring the money.
Mine for what? I'll go get the mine.
Okay.
Go get the money.
Okay.
Yep.
Bye.
Sure do.
One over there in that barn too. 3 little pigs. Oh, that is adorable. One was made out of hay. Oh, they are smart for that. Come on, they ugly. Affleck.
Originally, her name was Bob Ross.
Uh-huh.
But then we figured out she's a girl, so her name's Barbarita.
Wow.
And
What about the other one?
Nightwing.
Huh?
The other one's Nightwing.
Nightwing?
Nightwing.
Nightwing?
Hey.
Geese.
I thought it was fake.
Aw.
Look, that one. That's a big dog.
This one's just standing there, being a jackie. I was gonna say it, but you don't want him here with me. Oh, this one is a little neck. You see the llamas?
We're gonna eat it.
They have food though.
There's a llama. Hi, llama. Hi. Are you hiding from me?
Oh, you're just a happy little llama.
Hi. You annoying? You're a cute little llama.
Like it's gonna bite me.
Hi, my name is Tinky Piggy. And now I'm a cow. Now I'm Tinky the horse. And now I'm Tinky the cow. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
We couldn't get on the Moo-Choo, which is back there, but she happy either way it go. She didn't even know about no Moo-Choo until we seen it.
Sweep that floor, sweep that floor, sweep that floor like it can't no more. Sweep that floor, sweep that floor.
Right. Oh, these my favorite. And these are the real ones, but they're $1. They used to be $2, $4 at the candy store. I swear. But man. No, let me get a cookie. Let me get a cookie. Thank you. How is it? How is it? Good. See your nose moving? I'm the only one being fat.
Are you being?
Let's take a picture here. Want to take a picture on that little thing? And the donut? Pumpkin City. Oh, look at the little baby pumpkins. The little baby pumpkins.
Look, this one.
It's a little bit. Wow.
Look.
Yes, they look so adorable. Okay, so that is all for this vlog. We just decided to go to the apple orchard instead of a pumpkin patch. People always go to a pumpkin patch, but we really had fun. You had fun? Yay! Yeah, yeah. Okay. She had fun too. Tell them to subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.
2 hours later.
Let's get home and let's off the apples. clean them off with some good and hot water. Now let the little one pick an apple. That's the one you picked. Let me see. Apples are so fresh. Oh my god, look at that.
Wow. I can eat them?
Yeah, let me eat it first so I can check it for poison. Bye. So sour, but so good. Oh my god.
Look. Oh, yummy. So good.
Bye. That apple is fresh, honey. I need to go to the orchard more often.
I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks again for watching. Bye.